Moving on to what's happening in the state of Jammu and Kashmir. The bodies of 3 Hindu civilians who went missing from Kathua district in Jammu on Friday have been found in the upper reaches of Bilawar. Security forces located the bodies using drone surveillance. A terror group affiliated with LET has claimed responsibility for the killings. Now, preliminary investigations reveal that the victims, including the minor, were travelling to attend a wedding in Lohai Maharar area of Kathua district when they went missing. Following the disappearances, security forces, including the Indian Army, CRPF and the Special Operations Group, launched an extensive operation. Here's what the family had to say.
वो जा रहे थे, बारात में जा रहे थे।
ये 5 तारीख की घटना है?
हाँ जी, हाँ जी, हाँ जी। वो स्वर्ग में जा रहे थे। अब रास्ते में घर से फ़ोन आया कि बोलते हैं कि वो शादी के लिए गए थे, वो वापस नहीं आए। 3 बजे की बात है।
ये अगले दिन दोपहर 3 बजे की?
हाँ, अगले दिन 3 बजे की बात है। फिर उसके बाद कोई पता नहीं चला कि क्या हो रहा है, क्या नहीं।
तो अभी बता रहे हैं कि वहाँ पे सर्च कर रहे हैं उनके लिए?
हाँ, उनके लिए सर्च कर रहे हैं।
मुझे बताइए, जो अपने घर से ये जो दूसरी जगह जा रहे थे जहाँ बारात जानी थी, ये दोनों जगहें कितनी दूर हैं?
वो जगह बहुत दूर है, कम से कम हमारा चलने में कोई 5-6 घंटे का रास्ता है।
वहाँ पे कोई गाड़ी वगैरह कुछ नहीं चलती?
नहीं चलती है।
तो ये जो इलाका है आप लोगों का, यहाँ पे पहले भी आप लोग इस तरह से जाते हैं?
हाँ हाँ, पहले भी इस तरह से जाते।
तो कभी पहले कोई ऐसी घटना सामने आई?
नहीं नहीं नहीं, अब पहली बार होगा ऐसे।
इनके साथ 2 और लोग थे?
2 और लोग थे।
वो भी अपने कोई रिश्तेदार हैं?
हाँ, रिश्तेदार है। वो जो मेरा ज्वाई है उसका एक भांजा है। और दूसरा जो भांजे का चाचू है। हाँ जी।
तो मुझे बताइए, इस इलाके में क्या वो आतंकियों का कुछ खतरा भी है?
सर जी, अब देखा नहीं है। वो खतरा फौज मिलिट्री लगी है तो खतरा होगा तभी आई है, ऐसे क्या मानना था किसी।
Gursimran, my colleague, is joining me live from Kathua. Gursimran, you spoke to the family members. We learned that the bodies of the 3 missing people have been found. The investigation is still underway. Talk to us about if this could be a possible targeted killing.
See, what we are picking up from the Jammu and Kashmir police for now, that they are ruling out the act of terror. They are saying that no traces on the body have been found of any bullet mark or any injury which can hint towards any act of terror. After the relentless operations that have been carried out by the Jammu and Kashmir police, the Kathua police along with the SOG Malhar, which operates in the upper reaches, the densely forested area, after the 50 hours long relentless operation, the bodies of all 3 have been retrieved. Now, what we are picking up that in our next couple of hours, they will be reaching the hospital for the post-mortem, and tomorrow morning their final rites will be performed. Now, what led to their death, that is being probed by the Jammu and Kashmir police. That will also come as part of a larger probe that will take place at a later stage. But prima facie, what the police officials are telling us, that this does not seem to be an act of terror, and that's why, as per prima facie investigation, they are giving a clean chit that this is not an act of terror, though everything will be looked into at a later stage.
Right, Gursimran, thank you very much for sharing all those details on that story. Moving on to the other stories that we are tracking. Now, intensifying the attack on alleged instances of love jihad in the state of Madhya Pradesh, Chief Minister Mohan Yadav